Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0277O in color code 005. It's a black color frame. It has a gold GG logo on the side and has a blue, red, and white detailing on the temples. This frame is made in Italy. These are demo lenses stamped with the Gucci logo. Up here we have velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.